If you like sweet breads, you are going to love these Austrian sweet rolls. They are soft, they are fluffy, and they are filled with a sweet walnut and jam filling. They are so delicious, you won't be able to stop eating them. And the best part, I will show you how easy you can make them. We start by dissolving the yeast into warm milk together with the sugar and setting it aside until bubbling. You don't have fresh yeast, no worries, you can use dry active yeast. Then we sift the flour. This will aerate the flour and also eliminate any lumps. We are making these soft, delicious breads using a stand mixer. If you don't have one, you can do it by hand also. So once the yeast has foamed up, then we are adding it to our mixing bowl, and we are also adding the remaining of the milk, the eggs, the sugar, lemon rind, vanilla extract, and 2 cups of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. And start the mixer on low. If you don't have a mixer, you can use a whisk on this first step to mix everything together. Then once you add the flour, use your hands to form the dough. Once all is incorporated, we are going to add the melted butter or margarine, whichever you are using. Once all is incorporated, then we are going to start adding the remaining of the flour. And this happens slowly and on low speed. And also I like to add a pinch of salt. We let the machine knead the dough until it comes together and is smooth and elastic and starts to pull away from the sides of the bowl. So it should be soft but not sticky. You can see how it starts to clean the sides of the bowl. Once it's done, it should be soft and elastic but not sticky. This looks just perfect. Soft but not sticky. We are going to remove the dough and place it into a clean bowl. Cover it and let it rise until it doubles in size for about an hour. While the dough is resting, we are going to prepare our filling by mixing together the jam, the ground walnuts, and the powdered sugar until they are all blended together. I am using finely ground walnuts, but if you prefer a crunch, then use crushed or coarsely ground walnuts. I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, please like and share it and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to leave me a comment. We are also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and just mix everything together until all the sugar is all incorporated and the mixture becomes smooth. The dough has doubled in size and it looks fantastic. So we are going to remove it to a floured surface. And we are dividing the dough into 2 parts. Taking half of the dough at a time, we are going to roll it out into a rectangular shape 10 by 13 inches and about half an inch thick. Once rolled out, we are going to cut it horizontally in 3 and then across vertically into 4 to get 12 squares. And then we are going to place 1 tablespoon of our walnut filling into the center of each square. Then we are going to form them into balls. The easiest way is to take it in the palm of your hand by bringing the opposite corners together over the filling and pinching the ends together. Then roll it in your hands to form a ball. You can also do it this way. The most important part is to make sure you pinching the ends together so the filling cannot escape while baking. Once they are all made into balls, then we are going to place them, divide them between two pans 9 by 13 that we lined with parchment paper. We are going to add 12 balls to each pan. We are going to cover the pans with plastic wrap and set them aside to rise for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Before baking them, we are going to use a silicone brush and brush each one with egg wash. Then bake them at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until they are golden brown. Our Buchteln sweet rolls are done and they look absolutely delicious. They are soft, fluffy, and oh, so delicious. Well, enjoy the recipe and let me know how you did once you make them. And thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.